Hello and welcome to Mr. TripAdvisor. Today I've got a bit of a treat for you. We're at Buxted Park, which is part of Handpicked Hotels, and we're in the Browning suite. Now, Robert Browning and his wife were friends with the person who built this house. They used to stay here a lot. So I'll show you what one of the suites is like. As you come in, you've got some very, very old furniture. And then behind these doors, you've got your ironing board. In the main wardrobe there, you do get dressing gowns and slippers and things. And then you've got one of these amazing suites with an amazing view. So you've got a nice little workspace there with TV. You've got the original old fireplace. Mirror. It's just starting to get dark, so we can have a little look out there. On your right there, that's the orangery. That's where you now have breakfast. The grounds here are used extensively for weddings, as the complex has its own church on the grounds. You see, these are really big rooms. Now, one of the interesting things about these four-poster beds is they have bells in the corner, so you can ring that bell. So we've got some lovely biscuits, apple crumbles. It just sounds very nice, doesn't it? My favourite shortbread. So you've got plenty of bits and pieces here, from Cadbury's hot chocolate to barista coffee and your own coffee machine. I think every hotel room should have its own coffee machine, don't you? So you have got a very old big bed, but you don't need a cherry picker to get up into this one. Very high ceilings. So you've got aircon or heating that you can control remotely. We're going to go into the bathroom, and you can see again it's got very high ceilings. Come out of the cave. You can find all the Handpicked hotels on all the normal hotels.com sites, but if you want to upgrade and have a suite or something like this, you are going to need to do it direct on the Handpicked Hotel website. I'll put the links below. We've not been paid or incentivised in any way by Handpicked Hotels. We just love them for a special occasion. One of the other lovely things you get in Handpicked Hotels is the free turn down service. So somebody comes in, gives the room a quick spruce, turns down the edge of the bed, puts it into sort of nighttime lighting, and even puts your slippers by the side of your bed for you. See, now that is luxury, isn't it? So I hope you find that useful. Do send me any comments below or any questions, and we'll try and help. This is Paul, today from Mr. TripAdvisor, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.